Neurons are being born every day that are incorporated into the hippocampus and are involved in this routing of memories. As we age, that drops off. So right now, maybe in your 20s and 30s, you're probably making 50,000 new neurons a day. As you age, that drops off to maybe a few thousand, and the hippocampus actually starts to shrink. And it's thought that through phytochemicals and through nutrition, we might be able to keep that neurogenesis going a little bit longer so that it doesn't fall off, and so that the cataloging of memories stays intact for longer. And so that is what the study will be looking at, is whether or not through the ingestion of blueberries we can keep the memories available to the participant. This is an example of the type of data that we would get from one of the tasks that we'll be doing. This is a task where we ask the participant to push a button if they see an X on the screen, and if they see an O, to just sit there. So this will be a depiction of the brain activity when an O was on the screen, all of the different incidences of O's averaged together. This will be a depiction of when the X is on the screen and the participant pushes the button. It's 1 second worth of data, so it's 400 milliseconds before the stim comes on the screen and 600 milliseconds after. You'll see colors start to grow. The more brilliant the color, even black, means that that's more brain activity. So this is before the stim comes on the screen. You can see both of the depictions are about the same. And remember, this is O's where nothing is going on. This is X's where we're pushing the button. And the stim is going to come on the screen about right there. And this is probably where the participant pushed the button. So you can see there's a lot of difference between the two. This big yellow blob is probably related to the pushing of the button, and this black area is probably related to the memory for the rule. Keeping that rule in mind, you have to push the button. So this is working memory, and this is the motor response. And you can see the motor response will start to go away, but the memory will start to grow because the participant is updating memory for that rule. Those are the kinds of data that we will be getting from this study.